Dublin greets you with a wink, a city that feels both familiar and full of surprises. From the moment you set foot on its cobbled streets, there's a sense of warmth in the air, a feeling that you're not just visiting but being welcomed into a living, breathing story. Every corner seems to hold a story waiting to be told, whether it's the laughter spilling out of a cozy pub or the music drifting from a street performer's guitar. Dublin's energy is infectious, inviting you to slow down and savor each moment. This isn't a city of cold monuments or silent streets, it's a patchwork of lively neighborhoods, each with its own unique charm and character. From the vibrant colors of the Georgian doors to the friendly banter echoing between neighbors, Dublin's spirit is alive in every detail. The River Liffey flows through its heart, carrying centuries of history and stories along its banks. Its waters have witnessed the city's triumphs and trials, connecting the past with the present in a gentle, unbroken current. As you wander, you'll hear the lilt of Irish voices, the distant sound of a fiddle, and the unmistakable rhythm of life that pulses through Dublin's streets. Music and conversation are the city's heartbeat, drawing people together in spontaneous moments of joy. The real magic of Dublin lies in its people. It's in the way a stranger will offer directions with a smile, or how a barista remembers your order after just one visit. There's a genuine kindness here that makes every encounter feel special. Dubliners have a gift for making visitors feel like old friends, turning a simple question into a delightful conversation. Whether you're sharing a laugh with a bartender or swapping stories with locals, you'll find that connections come easily here. This spirit of Sead Mil Failte, 100,000 welcomes, is woven into daily life. Hospitality isn't just a tradition, it's a way of being, passed down through generations and shared with everyone who crosses the city's threshold. Dublin wears its history with pride, but never feels stuck in the past. Ancient castles and cathedrals stand side by side with bustling markets and lively cafes, creating a cityscape where old and new blend seamlessly. You can walk from a medieval cathedral to a modern tech campus in minutes, feeling the city's dynamic energy shift and evolve with every step. Dublin is a place where tradition and innovation dance together, shaping a future that's as exciting as its past. Dublin rewards curiosity and encourages connection. Every narrow lane and bustling square invites you to explore, to ask questions, and to discover the stories that make this city so unforgettable. It's a place that doesn't just show you its sights, it shares its spirit. Whether you're enjoying a traditional Irish meal with new friends or tapping your foot to a lively tune, you become part of Dublin's ongoing story. And that spirit will stay with you long after you've said goodbye, lingering in your memories and calling you back to this city with a soul. Our journey begins at the heart of Dublin, where the grand entrance of Trinity College welcomes visitors from around the world. This iconic institution is not just a university, but a living testament to Ireland's enduring pursuit of knowledge and culture. Within its gates you'll find an oasis of calm and scholarly grandeur, where tranquil courtyards and lush gardens offer a peaceful retreat from the city's lively pace. Here, students and visitors alike stroll beneath ancient trees, surrounded by centuries of academic tradition. Founded in 1592, Trinity's cobblestone quads and stately buildings have inspired generations of thinkers, writers, and leaders. The echoes of footsteps on these stones remind us of the countless stories that have unfolded here, shaping Ireland's intellectual legacy. At the heart of the college lies the Old Library, a treasure trove of history. It houses the Book of Kells, a breathtaking masterpiece of medieval art, renowned for its intricate illustrations and vibrant colors that have survived for over 1,000 years. Step inside the long room, where towering shelves brim with ancient tomes and marble busts of great thinkers line the hall. This awe-inspiring space, often called a cathedral of knowledge, invites visitors to lose themselves in the wisdom of ages past. Next, we arrive at Dublin Castle, a symbol of the city's resilience and transformation. Once the seat of British rule in Ireland, its imposing walls and storied courtyards tell the tale of a nation's struggle for identity and independence. Inside, the lavish state apartments dazzle with ornate decor and grand halls, still used today for state ceremonies and presidential inaugurations. As you wander through these rooms, you can almost feel the weight of history and the echoes of momentous decisions made within these walls. Not far away stands St. Patrick's Cathedral, its soaring Gothic spires reaching skyward. This magnificent church is a testament to Dublin's spiritual heart, drawing visitors with its beauty and centuries-old traditions. According to legend, it was here that St. Patrick himself baptized converts, marking the beginning of Ireland's Christian heritage. The cathedral's sacred spaces invite quiet reflection and a sense of connection to the past. Inside, sunlight streams through vibrant stained glass, illuminating soaring ceilings and casting colorful patterns on the stone floor. The atmosphere is serene, inspiring awe and contemplation in all who enter. The cathedral is also the final resting place of Jonathan Swift, the celebrated author of Gulliver's Travels. His presence here links Dublin's spiritual and literary heritage, reminding us of the city's profound influence on the world of letters. Together, these storied landmarks reveal a city shaped by learning, power, and faith. They stand as enduring symbols of Dublin's vibrant history and its ongoing journey into the future. As you walk these historic streets, each step connects you to centuries of Dublin's story, a living tapestry woven from the dreams, struggles, and triumphs of generations past. Dublin is a city built on words, where every cobblestone seems to echo with the voices of poets, playwrights, and dreamers from centuries past. The city's streets are alive with stories, and its very air feels charged with creativity and imagination. Home to 4 Nobel laureates and countless literary legends, Dublin's legacy is woven into the fabric of world literature. From the hallowed halls of Trinity College, where ancient manuscripts are preserved, to the leafy parks that inspired so many writers, the city is a living library. The spirit of Joyce, Wilde, and Stoker lingers in the streets, their words immortalized in bronze and stone, their influence felt in every corner. It's as if their imaginations still wander the city, inviting you to see Dublin through their eyes. Literature isn't confined to libraries, it's alive everywhere. In cozy pubs, bustling cafes, and even on park benches, you'll find people lost in books or deep in conversation about their favorite authors. Join a literary walking tour to trace the footsteps of famous authors, discovering the places that inspired their masterpieces, and the hidden corners where stories were born. Or visit Sweeney's Pharmacy, preserved just as it was in Joyce's time, a living relic from the pages of Ulysses, where you can still buy a bar of lemon soap and feel history come alive. Bookshops like Hodges Figgis are cultural hubs, hosting readings and events that bring together writers and readers from all walks of life. Here, the love of literature is celebrated every day, and new stories are always waiting to be discovered. Every June 16th, Bloomsday celebrates Joyce's Ulysses with citywide festivities. Locals and visitors alike dress in period costume, retracing Leopold Bloom's journey and turning the city into a stage for literary celebration. But you don't need a festival to feel the literary pulse. Just listen to a story in a pub, where storytelling is an art passed down through generations, and every pint comes with a tale. Or watch the world go by in a park, where writers once found inspiration, and where today's Dubliners still pause to read, reflect, and dream. In Dublin, everyone has a story, and sharing them keeps the city's literary heart beating. The tradition of storytelling is alive in every conversation, every laugh, and every shared memory. The city's love for words is infectious. Whether you're a lifelong reader or just discovering Irish literature, you'll find yourself swept up in the passion for stories that unites Dubliners. Here, literature is a living, breathing part of daily life. Poetry readings spill onto the streets and cafes buzz with the sound of pens scratching across paper. Dublin invites you to become part of its ongoing story, so open a book, join a conversation, and let the city's literary heartbeat inspire your own. To understand Dublin, you must understand its pubs. More than places to drink, they're the city's living rooms and concert halls. The pub is where friends gather, strangers become friends, and music fills the air. Venture beyond Temple Bar to traditional spots like the Palace Bar or Kehoe's, where history lingers in every snug. Traditional Irish music sessions, spontaneous and heartfelt, are a highlight. The music is a living tradition passed down through generations, and of course there's Guinness. The ritual of the perfect pour is a point of pride. Many say it tastes best here, close to its source. Sitting in a classic pub with a pint is an essential Dublin experience. It's a moment to savor the city's unique atmosphere. Dublin's pub culture is beloved worldwide for good reason. To truly feel Dublin, experience it like a local. Start on Grafton Street, alive with buskers and street performers. Grab a coffee, watch the show, and soak in the city's energy. Walk along the River Liffey and cross the iconic Halfpenny Bridge for picturesque views. When Dubliners need a break, they head to Phoenix Park, one of Europe's largest urban parks, home to wild deer and endless green space. Rent a bike, picnic, or simply relax in nature. St. Stephen's Green, at the top of Grafton Street, is a peaceful Victorian park perfect for a stroll. Its gardens and ponds offer a tranquil escape from city bustle. Dublin seamlessly blends nature and urban life. These green spaces are beloved retreats for locals and visitors alike. Take time to wander, and you'll discover the city's everyday rhythms. Dublin's charm is found in these simple, shared moments. Irish food has evolved, but classics like Irish stew and coddle remain must-tries. Fresh oysters and fish and chips showcase the best of the sea. Today, Dublin's food scene buzzes with creative chefs and vibrant cafes. Independent coffee shops serve expertly brewed drinks and pastries. The craft beer movement offers exciting alternatives to Guinness, with local breweries producing everything from IPAs to stouts. Visit a pub specializing in craft brews or tour a microbrewery for a taste of modern Ireland. Don't miss the Temple Bar food market for artisanal treats and local flavors. Dublin's culinary culture is a delicious blend of tradition and innovation. Dublin is more than a party town. It's a city with soul, rooted in storytelling, music, and history. Conversations with strangers can be as enriching as any museum visit. The famous Irish gift of the gab creates warmth and intimacy rare in a capital. Dublin's resilience shines through centuries of hardship, forging humor and perseverance. Music is everywhere, from Grafton Street buskers to rock bands and classical concerts. It's the city's heartbeat, expressing joy and sorrow alike. Dublin balances reverence and irreverence, honoring its saints and scholars while loving a good joke. You can contemplate ancient manuscripts by day and laugh with new friends by night. The city embraces all facets of life, creating a deeply human experience. Dublin's true character is found in its people, its stories, and its music. It's a city that welcomes you into its heart. One of Dublin's greatest joys is its walkability. The compact city centre puts major sites within easy reach. Trinity College, Dublin Castle, Temple Bar, and more. Wandering the streets, you'll discover hidden courtyards, quirky shops, and charming pubs. Dublin's human scale fosters a sense of belonging, making you feel like a local in no time. Public transport, DART buses and trams, makes exploring further afield simple. The city's accessibility means you can see and do more, stress-free. Dublin is the perfect starting point for a European adventure. It's a friendly, manageable introduction to the wonders of the old world. A trip to Dublin is an investment in memories. The city's culture, warmth, and world-class sights make every moment worthwhile. What makes Dublin special is its authenticity. This is a living, breathing city with a strong identity. Pub culture, literature, and music are genuine passions, not performances. The Irish spirit, humor, resilience, and friendliness will stay with you long after you leave. Dubliners' wit and warmth are legendary, making visitors feel instantly at home. Dublin is more than a destination. It's an experience that lingers in your heart. You'll leave with stories, music, and a longing to return for another 100,000 welcomes.